You're coming to Reykjavik, and it's wintertime. What to wear? In this video, I'm going to show you what to pack when you come to Iceland during the winter time. First and foremost, you should bring a base layer made from wool or any other breathable material that will keep you warm. Second, you should bring a rainproof jacket. Preferably both a jacket and trousers, since it might rain a lot. If you don't have the proper gear, it's going to be very hard for you to enjoy yourself while you're here. If you're freezing your ass off while looking at a glacier, then it's not enjoyable. Proper boots. These are very important. It's icy, there's a lot of snow, there can be rain, so you want something to keep your feet dry, and you want something that also helps protect you from slipping on ice and falling. If you do want to go behind Seljalandsfoss, you will need crampons, which you can buy from our company, Bus Travel Iceland, or you can bring them with. Last, but hardly the least, gloves and a snow cap. These are obviously important because it's cold and you want to keep your ears and your hands dry and warm. So 5 things: base layer, proper boots, rainproofs, gloves, and a snow cap. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you found this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and follow us on our YouTube channel.